Knowing my luck now, Grand's gonna be a 2-burst since I'm not there.
Much circular for us.
See it.
I mean, it's
Center, was that Beehive indicator?
Not yet.
Yes, there was water in Beehive's indicator.
This is great. It's giving people an extra
Okay, copy
30,
that. We'll stay tuned.
at least 30 seconds, maybe more.
yeah, you probably don't want
Hey,
to.
please send Carolyn to Beehive.
It's been 40 seconds. This is absolutely great. It's giving people all this extra time to get over here.
It's gonna be 9:55 or 54.
No, call it 54.
Beehive's indicator 9:54. Beehive's indicator 0954. I'm sure trying.
I have advice from the staff and from the
How far in are we, Ryan?
13.
Okay.
And we're in 19 minutes now.
Now we're in line for the wedding. Now we're in line for the wedding. I feel the wind out.
Beehive 1013. Beehive 1013.
We'll do this for 5 minutes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wait, so
Oh, my sweet.
I'm gonna run and put that in my cabinet for it.